is one movement beneath it all, one current shaping every plane. What I see and what I sense answer to the same refrain, informing thought and choice and meaning, and what I value, what I seek. The same intelligence is moving, quiet, steady, strong and clear. Nothing operates in isolation, nothing acts on its own. Mind supplies the living pattern through which all experience is shown. What appears as many layers shares a single source inside. Physical, moral, mental pathways all respond to the same guide. I feel this presence in my thinking, I see it shaping what I choose. Every world reflects awareness in the way it comes into you. Trust the source that never varies. I rest within what always stays. Mind remains the only principle at work in countless ways.